Have you ever hosted a delightful gathering only to be met with the unwelcome sight of spills and stains? Our homes, filled with the energy of life's beautiful moments, can sometimes fall prey to these little accidents. But worry not. Just as we find joy in decluttering our spaces and cherishing the items that spark joy, we can find peace in knowing that even the most stubborn stains can be tackled with simple, readily available solutions. Join me on this journey as we uncover the secrets to banishing these unwelcome guests from our beloved belongings, leaving your home sparkling with joy and free from the stress of stains. Before we start, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. And click the link below to check out our free community, Made for Women, and get your free copy of our spring cleaning checklist today. Red wine. A drink that often accompanies celebrations and shared laughter. But when it graces our pristine white tablecloths, it can spark a different kind of emotion entirely. Fear not, for a simple solution lies within your pantry. Club soda, with its gentle effervescence, can lift the stain with surprising ease. The tiny bubbles work their magic, lifting the pigment molecules from the fibers of the fabric. Simply pour the club soda directly onto the stain, ensuring it is fully saturated. Allow it to work its magic for a few minutes, then gently blot the area with a clean cloth, working from the outside in to avoid spreading. You'll be amazed as the stain fades away, leaving your tablecloth ready for its next joyous occasion. The morning coffee, a ritual that brings warmth and focus to our day. But a spill on a crisp white shirt can bring a jolt of a different kind. Fortunately, a simple paste made from baking soda can come to our rescue. Baking soda, a gentle yet powerful cleaning agent, absorbs and neutralizes the coffee's tannins, lifting the stain away. To banish the coffee's mark, simply mix a tablespoon of baking soda with a small amount of water to form a thick paste. Gently apply this paste to the coffee stain, ensuring it is completely covered. Allow the paste to dry completely, then gently brush it away, revealing a brighter, stain-free surface beneath. Your shirt, once again, can bring you joy, not reminders of a morning mishap. Oh no, grease stains! They cling to our dishes and clothes with such tenacity, don't they? But just like a cluttered drawer, they needn't spark negative feelings. We can banish these oily intruders and restore balance to our homes. Grease stains happen. It's the natural order of things when we're enjoying delicious meals. But that doesn't mean they have to stay. The key to removing them lies in understanding their nature. Grease is hydrophobic, meaning it repels water, which is why simply rinsing often doesn't work. This is where our trusty friend, dish soap, comes in. Dish soap is designed to break down grease, allowing it to mix with water and wash away. For tougher stains, we can enlist the help of baking soda, a gentle yet powerful cleaning agent. Make a paste with dish soap and baking soda, apply it to the stain, and gently rub it in. As you work the paste into the stain, imagine the grease molecules loosening their grip, surrendering to the cleansing power of the soap and baking soda. Rinse with warm water and feel a spark of joy as the stain disappears, leaving your dishes and clothes sparkling and ready to bring joy back into your home. Ink stains. Those tiny droplets of blue or black can feel like permanent reminders of little mishaps, but don't let them steal your joy. Even the most stubborn ink marks can be lifted away, restoring peace to our belongings and our minds. When tackling ink stains, it's important to act quickly, before the ink has a chance to fully set into the fibers of the fabric. Reach for a clean cloth and a bottle of rubbing alcohol, a powerful tool in our tidying arsenal. Gently dab at the ink stain with the rubbing alcohol-soaked cloth, working from the outside in to avoid spreading the ink further. You might be surprised by how readily the ink begins to dissolve, lifting away from the fabric as if by magic. Continue blotting until the stain fades away, leaving behind a clean slate. This process, like tidying, is about letting go. In this case, letting go of the stress and frustration that ink stains can bring. Remember, a tidy home is a happy home, free from even the most stubborn stains. Ooh, ketchup. A beloved condiment, but a messy one indeed. Those bright red splatters on our tablecloths and clothes can feel like a cause for dismay. But fear not, for even ketchup stains can be met with a gentle touch and a joyful heart. Like many stains, time is of the essence when it comes to ketchup. The longer it sits, the more stubbornly it clings to fabric fibers. But don't worry, we have a powerful yet gentle solution: baking soda and vinegar. These pantry staples, when combined, create a cleaning force that sparks joy. Create a paste using baking soda and a bit of water, then apply it generously to the ketchup stain. Next, gently pour a small amount of vinegar onto the paste. Watch as it fizzes, a delightful visual representation of the cleaning power at work. Allow the mixture to work its magic for a few minutes, then gently blot the stain with a clean cloth. As the ketchup stain fades, you'll be filled with a sense of accomplishment, knowing that even the messiest mishaps can be overcome with a little patience and the right tools. Oh my, bloodstains! They can spark a feeling of dread, can't they? But don't let it unsettle your tidy mind. Act swiftly, rinse with cold water. Massage hydrogen peroxide onto the stain. Tiny bubbles will lift the stain. Rinse thoroughly and air dry. Your fabric, now free of the bloodstain, can return to a state of tidiness. Next, mustard. That vibrant condiment that adds a burst of flavor, but oh, the stains. They can be a bit like unexpected guests who overstay their welcome, clinging stubbornly to our beloved fabrics. But fret not, even the most stubborn mustard stain can be persuaded to depart, leaving your home sparkling with joy. Firstly, resist the urge to rub. Rubbing can spread the stain and make it feel even more unwelcome. Instead, use a dull knife or spoon to gently lift away any excess mustard, much like you would politely show a guest to the door. Then, create a paste using equal parts baking soda and water. Baking soda, with its gentle cleaning power, is like a trusted friend who always knows how to restore balance. Apply this paste generously to the stained area, ensuring it's fully covered. Allow it to sit for a while, giving the baking soda time to work its magic, just like allowing a situation to naturally resolve itself. Finally, rinse the fabric thoroughly under cold water, and just like that, the stain will loosen its grip and bid farewell. Remember, a calm and methodical approach, combined with the power of natural cleaning agents, can work wonders, leaving your home sparkling with joy and free from unwelcome stains. Now, chocolate. That's a delightful treat that brings joy to our hearts. But a chocolate stain? Not so much. It can feel like a sticky situation, reminding us of a moment of indulgence gone wrong. But fear not, even the most stubborn chocolate stain can be lifted away, restoring peace and order to your home. First, resist the urge to panic. Instead, gently scrape off any excess chocolate with a dull knife or spoon. Imagine you are carefully removing a misplaced item from a tidy drawer. Next, apply a small amount of dish soap directly to the stain. Dish soap, with its grease-fighting abilities, is like a reliable friend who helps us tackle life's little messes. Gently rub the dish soap into the stain with your fingers, using circular motions to coax it out. Think of it as a mini massage for your fabric, releasing the stain with every gentle movement. Finally, rinse the fabric thoroughly under warm water, allowing the water to wash away the stain and any lingering worries. And just like that, your fabric is restored to its former glory, sparking joy once again. Remember, a little patience and the right tools can turn even the most daunting cleaning task into a moment of mindful tidying. Oil stains. They seem to appear as if by magic, don't they? But just as easily as they appear, we can banish them, restoring peace to our garments. You see, oil doesn't like to mix with water. It prefers to stay separate. This is where our secret weapon, cornstarch, comes in. It's a gentle but powerful ally, drawing the oil away from the fibers of your clothing. Sprinkle a generous amount of cornstarch directly onto the stain, allowing it to work its magic for at least 30 minutes. As the cornstarch absorbs the oil, it will become clumpy, signaling that it's time to gently brush it away. Then, with a bit of dish soap and warm water, wash the garment as usual. You'll find the oil stain has vanished, leaving your clothing refreshed and ready to wear once more. A warm cup of tea is a comforting ritual, but spills can happen, leaving behind stubborn stains on our beloved mugs and cups. But fret not, for we can restore their sparkle with a few simple ingredients. Baking soda, our trusty cleaning companion, works wonders on tea stains. Its gentle abrasiveness combined with the natural acidity of lemon juice creates a powerful yet gentle cleaning solution. Simply mix equal parts baking soda and lemon juice to create a paste. Apply this paste to the tea-stained areas and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing it to work its magic. Finally, with a gentle scrub using a soft sponge or cloth, you'll see the stains disappear, revealing the sparkling, clean surface beneath. Fruit juice, with its vibrant colors and refreshing taste, can sometimes leave behind unexpected reminders on our clothes and linens. But do not despair, for these stains too can be banished with a touch of tidying magic. Vinegar, a natural cleaning agent found in most kitchens, is our secret weapon against fruit juice stains. Its mild acidity breaks down the stain molecules, making them easier to lift away from the fabric. Create a solution of equal parts white vinegar and water. Gently pour this mixture onto the stain, ensuring it is fully saturated. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. You'll notice the stain begin to fade as the vinegar breaks down the fruit sugars. Afterward, launder the fabric as usual with a gentle detergent. With a bit of patience and care, the fruit juice stain will disappear, leaving your linens fresh, clean, and ready to use once more. Oh my, a wine stain. It can feel like such a burden, can it? But just like with any unwanted clutter, it's not about the stain itself, but how we choose to approach it. Let's face this challenge with a calm heart and a touch of salt. First, dampen the stain with cool water. Remember, hot water can set stains, so we want to be gentle. Then, generously sprinkle salt over the dampened area, allowing it to absorb the spilled wine like a sponge absorbing water. The salt will work its magic, drawing out the moisture and lifting the stain from the fibers of your beloved garment. Allow the salt to sit for at least 30 minutes, giving it ample time to truly embrace the stain and release it from the fabric. After patiently waiting, simply brush away the salt, and with it, the worry of the stain. Your shirt, now free from the burden of the spill, can breathe again, bringing you a sense of peace and order. Before we move on, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. Click the link below to check out our free community, Made for Women, and get your free copy of our cleaning checklist today. Turmeric, that vibrant spice, can sometimes leave its sunny disposition on our clothes, can it? But just like the warmth of the sun fades as day turns into night, so too can this stain. Don't let the intensity of the color intimidate you. Remember, even the most stubborn stains can be gently coaxed away. With a bit of dish soap and warm water, we can restore balance and harmony to your fabric. Apply a small amount of dish soap directly to the stain, gently massaging it into the fibers with your fingertips. Dish soap, designed to cut through grease, works wonders on turmeric's oily residue. Rinse the fabric with warm water, and as the water flows, visualize the stain dissolving and disappearing. Allow the fabric to air dry, and embrace the joy of seeing your tablecloth restored to its former glory. Oh my! Dye stains can spark quite a bit of anxiety, can't they? The vibrant colors that bring us joy can become a source of stress when they appear in the wrong places. But don't worry, even stubborn dye stains can be tackled with the right approach. Act quickly. The longer the dye sets, the harder it is to lift. Tackling stains head-on brings peace to our belongings. Use colorless rubbing alcohol to avoid unwanted color transfers. Gently dab the stain, working from the outside in. Continue until the stain is no longer visible. Makeup brings joy to our lives, adding color and sparkle to our days. But a misplaced dab of lipstick or foundation can leave us feeling less put together. Even the most stubborn makeup stains can be lifted with a few simple tricks. Consider the type of makeup we're dealing with. Oil-based makeup requires a different approach than powder-based products. For oil-based makeup stains, a gentle touch and patience are key. Start by gently blotting the stain to absorb excess makeup. Then, apply makeup remover to a clean cloth and dab the stain. As we've discovered together, even the most stubborn stains can be lifted with a mindful approach and a touch of ingenuity. Remember, just as decluttering our homes brings a sense of calm and clarity, removing stains from our cherished belongings can spark a similar joy. We've explored using simple, readily available ingredients like baking soda, vinegar, and dish soap to tackle a wide range of stains. These versatile solutions prove that we don't need harsh chemicals to maintain a tidy and stain-free home. Just as we find joy in simplifying our belongings, we can find joy in simplifying our cleaning routines. I encourage you to embrace these methods and experiment with what works best for you. Each stain is unique, just like each item we choose to keep in our homes. Embrace the process and remember, even small victories in stain removal are still victories. Don't forget to share your own stain-fighting triumphs and tips in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful cleaning and tidying inspiration. Until next time, may your homes and your lives be filled with joy and, of course, be sparkling clean.